Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 75 Cadillac Dorado convertible. This comes from Mr. Rodriguez in Cathedral City, California. And Mr. Rodriguez has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth and my cool master input-output box that has all your aux inputs and preamp outputs and subwoofer output. Let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send it back. I think I've got it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 presets set to a station in my area so we can get this test done quickly.
I'm Dave Rubin. This is the Gay Jewish Show.
When I was king.
The police detective.
Okay, let's go to AM. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the balance and fader function. Let's put it on something. Talk.
And it took her 2 to 3 minutes.
Make a little balance adjustment here.
The resident is an elderly.
Balance adjust.
After the door, she did not see anybody, so she thought maybe somebody had delivered a package or something to that effect.
Balance set.
The woman didn't see anybody.
Okay,
at the door.
now we can go to AM here and make sure we get the one station I get in my area around the center of the dial.
People love having telehealth and a huge nationwide PPO network.
There's our AM
you
station.
Can save a ton and like it better. Imagine
So
being
while we've
happy
got it on
with how
this-
you're taking care of your health care. So if you're
maybe
self-employed
cover
or
this
part
up
of
a
the
little
gig
bit. There we
economy, or
go.
you just want to plan your happiness.
That's a little easier on the eyes. Alrighty, let's test the virtual balance and fader,
Here's the number you need.
which we do by doing this.
That's 855-51 Bible.
Okay, virtual
855-51
virtual front
Bible.
rear fader.
You pick it is the all.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Swap me.
so all the way front,
Vehicle
all the way rear, front,
This is Harry of Pickett. For
rear.
all new arrivals and
Okay,
all
center.
check us out online at
Fader set.
Okay, left, right balance control.
For all steel
Balance adjust.
vehicles. Open 7
All the way
days a
left,
week at Prescott
all the way
Valley
right,
and Flatdam.
left,
Online
right,
at upickaz.com.
center.
The letter upickaz.com.
Balance set.
Balance it. Alrighty,
Running for Prescott.
let's make sure the Bluetooth goes in the pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know that's working. So now we're going to try the 8-track function. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Taking cases all the way through jury trials. My years of experience
Got some
within
Neil
the
Sedaka
justice
here.
system will serve Prescott.
Okay, now on this unit, you pull on the volume knob to eject the tape, and there we go.
With the former president.
And of course, I pull the knob off. So this unit normally has a set screw that you put those knobs on with so that it doesn't pull off. Now you want to be very careful not to push or pull on this thing any harder than necessary, because this is a 7-section control. The only source for a replacement is an identical unit, which means you're going to spend probably $400 or $500 just to get a volume control if this should get broken for some reason. So with that being said, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me through my website in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time. And thank you, Mr. Rodriguez, for your business from Cathedral City, California.